Mary Taylor, and I live here in Camarillo Heights. My husband passed away 2 years ago, and he was the one who took care of all of the outside stuff, including the septic system. Just recently, my neighbor had trouble with her septic system, so I thought, hey, I better go check out my septic system. And I called some people, and they dug it down, and they said, oh, this is too hard for us. And so I had a friend of mine find affordable. And Johnny came, and I thought I was just going to have it pumped out. Once they got into the system, they saw that it had been failed. So I had to get a new system. Where do you put it? Where do the leach lines go? All of that. Nothing was too hard for them. They went in through the concrete. They dug underneath the other stuff. They were very expert the whole way through. Johnny was excellent at helping me walk through all of that and make me feel confident that they weren't going to break everything and they weren't going to leave a big mess. And they were going to make it so that the permits were okay and all of that stuff. So I had a lot of confidence in what he was telling me. Both Johnny and Alex, who was the main guy on the site here, were very good communicators about here's what's happening today, here's what we're going to do, this is what you're going to see, here's what we need from you. Every day you could see some progress, and every day they would update me on what was going on. I can't say enough good things about them. After the project was over, they put everything back as best they could, compacted the soil, the gravel road that we have down to the bottom of the property, they fixed that back up again. So I'm very, very pleased with what's happened here. Absolutely, absolutely. No hesitation at all. Especially for big jobs like this, because there's a lot of plumbers that, one-man bands, and they can do what they can do, but this was a big job and needed a lot of people, there were a lot of moving parts, and these folks were sophisticated enough to be able to really manage it.